Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drip tray in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser drip tray. This dispenser drip tray is located at the bottom of the water and ice dispenser. It collects water droplets and serves as a cup support. The main reason to replace the dispenser drip tray is if it's broken or is simply missing. To remove the old dispenser drip tray, I'm going to use the putty knife and I'm going to install it into the seam at the bottom and then pry it out. Then we can slide out the old part. This is the old dispenser drip tray next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new dispenser drip tray, we're going to slide it in, align that front end, push it down, and then slide it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.